Here's something pretty exciting. They're actually open to doing a Versus battle. Now, Versus is a Instagram TV show that has artists battling head for head. I think it'd be plotting crimes at some sort of issue. What are you player in the league? I can be sitting relaxed.
Better when others cannot figure out how to resolve their troublesome symptoms. And, you know, those symptoms can range. I mean, there's such a range of symptoms. It could be arthritis, it could be GI problems, it could be fibromyalgia, it could be that, you know, you're getting hives, it could be that you have GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, it could be that maybe, you know, you don't know why, like, you're losing a lot of hair. There are just so many different things that we can look at when we are trying to figure out how to improve ourselves and why, you know,